Welcome back, everybody. This is Dave of Spider Monkey 2A. Today we're back out on another fishing adventure. So we're gonna try out one of the same streams that we normally fish in a few videos we've done, but we're starting at a different end and working our way back. This is a side I don't normally fish. Excuse me. But conditions are not looking great. It just got done raining again, but we're gonna get out for a few hours. Stick around, should be a lot of fun. Ooh, there we go, fish on. Not bad little one. Alright, I lied. He's done. Alright, there we go. First fish of the day. Probably a 5-incher. Thanks for playing, guy. I know it seems like in my videos I just flop these fish in there. A lot of times I don't have a choice. It's not that I'm trying to flop them in there. It's that we're pretty high up on these banks. Or the majority of the time, there's some really shallow spots right next to the bank, and I'm trying to get them out into the deeper water. So I'm not trying to flop them. Ooh, fish on. A better one. Alright. 5-incher or so. Beautiful colors. Yeah, let's get them back. Thanks for playing, guys. Hopefully we can get into some bigger ones, but heck, I'm not complaining. Holy moly. I don't think it hit it at all. I was not ready to start retrieving it. And something just went crazy up there. Have to get in that corner though. Oh, ow, that hurt. I spooked everything anyways. Fish on. Better than I thought. Oh, alright, thanks for playing. Got off right at the bank. Okay. Alright, this looks really promising. Coming up into the tree now. Oh, about 5 or 6. All come up and want to attack it. We're going to have to move just a little bit down further. There we go, fish on. Oh, came off. Ooh, there we go, fish on. Nicer one. All right. That is a really nice one. All right, guys. We've had him out a little longer than I want. That is definitely 10, 11-inch trout. Let's get him back. Thanks for playing, guy. Wow. All right, spot number 1, not terrible. Some little stalker size and one real nice one down at the end. But we hit a fence line of somebody's property that I don't know. I don't know whose property it is, and I'm not that guy. So we turned around, came back, didn't hit anything on the way back. Let's try a different spot. Oh, fish on. Oh, no. Wow. Oh, shoot, guys. It is starting to rain, too. Oh, no. I had one chase it right up. Oh, right as I pulled it out of the water. It happened to me last time I was here, too. Oh, no, we're running out of time, guys. It's starting to rain. Oh! Wow! Jeez. That one, I think he clipped it a little bit, so I don't think we'll have any luck again with that. Oh, man! Guys, he hit it again! Jeepers, I'm just going to keep on casting there until they stop. Oh, and it is really starting to rain. There we go. Got him that time. Fish on, guys. Oh, stay on. Yes! Wow, he really wanted it. That is a beautiful, beautiful trout. Wow, he really wasn't hooked all that great either. As I say that, there we go, guys. Wow, just an absolute beauty. I can zoom in. But, looks like it's probably about 12 inches or so. Let's get him back. Let's bring him over here so I don't slap him in the rapids. Alright, I don't have a choice, guys. I gotta kind of flop him in there. Thanks for playing, guy. Wow. Alright, I know we've been fishing this spot pretty hard lately. But we're probably one of the only few people that actually fish way back here. But I lost my favorite Rapala, guys. My black and gold one that we caught 2 PBs on. Frankly, I saved it from about 1,000 snags, but I ended up hooking some fence that was in the water, and I just couldn't get it back. So I'm a little sad about that. So we need to catch some fish on this new black and gold Rapala. Christen it. Oh, fish on. Oh. And there you go. Oh, yep, there he goes. I guess that doesn't really count. We didn't land him. But man, he came out of nowhere. Ooh, that one. Ooh, there we go. Fish on. I see a lot of them hitting topwater down there. Not a bad one. Well, there we go. Christen the first fish of the new Rapala. 5-incher or so. Let's get him back in. Thanks for playing, guy. Ooh, there we go. Fish on. Very big. Tiny. Cute. Alright, guys. Little one. Get him back in. Thanks for playing, guy. Ooh, there we go. Fish on. Ooh, that's a nice one. Ooh, that's a really nice one. All right, guys. Very nice fish. All right, guys. Probably a 9-10 incher or so. Let's get him back. Thanks for playing, guys. Whew, got hot at the end there.
Well, that's all the time we have for today. The bite kind of shut off towards the end there, but we still had a lot of fun. Caught some really nice ones today, a lot of small ones. We ran in some crappy weather. All right, everybody, this is Dave with Spider Monkey 2A. Give us a like, maybe share this video. Hope you subscribe. If not, thanks for stopping by.